Hello friends, this is the unboxing of the MI Power Bank 3 at 10,000 mAh 18 volt fast charging. I just received it from the Amazon. Here you can see that inside it there will be only my bill and this. So let's straight away go to the product. So here we can see that it offers dual output and input ports, smart power management, advanced 12-layer chip protection. I get it on the Amazon for about 700 rupees. Let's see how much the price quoted on it. Let me see, where does it quote its pricing? It is September 2020, made in India. I think the parts they source and manufacture in the India. Here you can see its Indian price, which is like 1300. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. Let me find something through which I can cut its seal. So I just got a pen, so let's take off its seal or cut it like this. I think it is done. Put my finger. Oh no, I break it, but no problem. We are not going to return this. Yeah, just like this. So as we see, you can see my pen here, and this is my laptop. I am uploading another video also, which you can see I think before it. So when we unbox it, here it is come. Here is the main box. Inside it we get the user manual, which no one reads. You can just see the outputs it have: USB A, USB output, USB C input, micro USB input, battery level indicator, and battery level checks, so that you can press and check. Let's see how much battery does it get when we take out this first time, and let's see what else we get in the box. Obviously here is the power bank. Inside it, here is its power cable, which is literally stuck inside it. You can literally open it, and here it is, its charging cable. I have to pack it as it is because I ordered it for one of my relatives, so I will not gonna open this seal. But here you can see that name of the manufacturer, I think it is this one is imported unit, I think. Here you can see its two outputs. Here is its indicator. Let's press it. It has only little bit battery right now. Just let's check it. It is completely drained out. So here is the power bank. It is the quick unboxing. Inside we get this USB cable to charge it up. This is the main box. This is the user manual, and this is the box inside which it comes. There is nothing else in the box. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. And I also put a blog regarding to it on my blogging website, so I will mention the link of that below so that you can see. And thanks for watching my videos. Just put all this as it is. It is not, it should be like this. Yeah, it's going to be just right now. Oh yeah, we have it is like right to left. We have to see each and everything. I think I was able to pack it during my video, although I can pack it after stopping my video also. But yeah, I want to pack it in front of you so that you can see what else we get in the box. We had put the charging cable inside it. Here you can see let me take it off. There is the charging cable, there is the power bank. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share it, and also watch our another videos. Basically I make the videos related to the finance, so you can check it out. If you have any query, you can ask me on the Facebook. I mention my ID that, and I will mention the Amazon link and my official link in the description box. Thanks for watching.